This is the Letter Sounds video series from readingelephant.com. In this series, I'll be going through how to do a reading lesson when a child doesn't know how to read yet. In this video, I'll be going over 1, letter sound introduction, 2, letter sound flashcards. Okay, so let's begin with letter sound introduction. Introduce 2 to 4 letter sounds at a time. Write them on flashcards. In this case, I'll be introducing s, m, t, a. Notice I'm holding continuous sounds and clipping stop sounds. If you haven't watched my video titled Teaching Letter Sounds, I recommend that you watch that before this video. So introduce 2 to 4 letter sounds at a time, or write them on flashcards like this. Don't introduce more letters until the student shows mastery over these sounds. He shows mastery when he identifies 75% of the sounds correctly. In this case, the student must say 3 out of 4 letter sounds correctly to learn more. And I'll also be using a printable alphabet chart that looks like this. You can find this on readingelephant.com. Okay, so let's begin. This is as in snow, as in snow. Sam sat in the snow. Notice this is a sound you can say for a long time. S. Your turn to say the sound. Student says s. This is as in monkey. As in monkey. The monkey made friends with a monarch butterfly. This is a sound you can say for a long time. Your turn to say the sound. Student says This is t as in turtle. T as in turtle. This is a sound you have to say quickly. T. You say the sound. Student says t. This is a as in apple. As in apple. The alligator had an apple. This is a sound you can say for a long time. You say the sound. Student says We're going to review the letter sounds we learned. I'm going to show you the flashcard. You say the sound. Student says t. S. If the student makes an error, bring them back to the alphabet chart. For example, if he misses say says as in monkey. Again, I never say the letter names. I'm just saying the letter sounds because that's what unlocks reading. In the next letter sounds video, I'll go over the phonemic awareness activities. So we just went over letter sound introduction and letter sound flashcards. In the next video, I'll go over phonemic awareness with objects and phonemic awareness with blank flashcards. Thanks for watching.